Great welcome to everyone. I guess you all make to the round two of Indian Debating League, part of your state teams. So great congratulations. Now we are talking primarily about the state part two, national issues, and now we're shifting from one versus one to three versus three, and that's primarily the major importance of this orientation session is that you getting comfortable with your team members, because now it's not your particular personal speech that matters. It matters that your team is able to prove your side, whatever the side is. So that's why after this call, the most important thing going to be that you are comfortable with your team members. Now we're going to debate on these 6 themes, and you need not to take screenshots because we will share this PPT in your group. So just listen to me and we will take your questions, all of your questions. Otherwise, we are on the group. So all the queries will be resolved. Uh, Now we are at the round two. So in this round, what we are looking for, we have 8 teams now from 8 different states, and you will play 1-1 matches. Now, after each match, you will get the result, you will get the feedback, and basis that you will get to know that are you making to your the final round, the semi-finals or not. So just after the announcement, the team who wins it goes to the semi-finals. There will be four teams semi-finals, and whoever not, they don't get to the final round. That's a semi-final. So it's just that you have to wait for your particular day. Semi-final round that's will come. We are looking at qualifiers. Man, and Method. I guess you seems to be reasonably good speakers, good debaters, and we have seen couple of you doing very well. So I need not to explain it, and I know that you will be doing fantastic in terms of knowing all these things earlier. Uh, Now, what we are looking for, the structure of the match going to be very simple. I will come to the schedule, and for the schedule, you could have multiple queries that will come. Before that, what we will do for 7 to 9, we give only depending in the match, correct? And that's why for some it will be 45 minutes, and some will be 45 plus say 1 hour, the time you get to prepare. But your opponent will have the same time as you. So that's representation is always same, that if my match is at 6 p.m., my opponent will also be at the 6 p.m. So I have the equal time to prepare, because we will do the tossing of the coin of a particular date. We have multiple matches at the same point of time, somewhere in the 3 p.m. Now, for each state, we are looking to have a captain. At that, only you will decide. You, for example, Delhi team, let's suppose you have 3 members. You will tell us that this is our captain, and he will come on say 3 p.m. on Monday evening, and he will come with us, come as like virtually, and do the flip of the coin, and then communicate to you that this is our motion, this is our side, and then let's prepare. Now, what we are looking for, the format is that we have 2 sides, proponent and the opponent. The proponent, first speaker goes for the 3 minutes, then the opposition goes again for the 3 minutes, and then subsequently, second speaker 3 minutes, second speaker 3 minutes, and the speaker 3 minutes. No POI allowed externally. That we will do in the World School Debating Championship. That's primarily the third round. Here we are looking at very simple, clean case. Now, in this match, in this case, as I mentioned earlier, you will receive the results just after the match. So we will have external adjudicator coming to your matches. They will give you results, and it's up to them if they want to give you a personal feedback, but they will tell that why this kind of team wins as compared to other one. Their construct was good, their particular argument was much more persuasive, or their particular, whatever. It's primarily up to them, and these are going to be external educators. So you will receive whatever you have with them, and you will also get these scores, everything within that last 15 minutes. So you need not to wait. Now, most important part, which is primarily the schedule for 7 to 9, you can see. So we are looking at Monday, the toss of the coin at 3 p.m. The match will start at 4 to 4:45. First match is between Punjab and Rajasthan. Now you have the themes, no poverty. And at 3 p.m. on 27th, you will receive your exact topic. So you will have 1 hour to prepare. Now, because and then you have matches on the day 2. Delhi versus Karnataka, West Bengal versus Maharashtra. Now you can see that West Bengal seems that they will receive more time to prepare, but the point is that the opponent to them, Maharashtra, will have the same time. And there is no comparison of Delhi versus Maharashtra because it's going to be Delhi versus Karnataka. If Delhi wins, they to the semi-final. Karnataka not wins, not to the semi-finals. The matches between Bengal versus Maharashtra, they will be allocated same time. Again, you need not to take the screenshot. We will share on the group. And then this is primarily the final day, Haryana versus Uttar Pradesh. Now, what we want you to do, or you are senior to fix by yourself, is that go to your group just after this call. Please do your introduction, your name, your state, your grade, so your team knows. So, for example, if I'm from Delhi, I currently don't know who 2 members are. Correct? Is it Anjali? Is it someone else? So when I read your messages, correct, one, I need to know whoever is participating from across the regions. So this is minimum. You want to add something about you, what your hobbies are, that's great, but that's totally up to you. But at least these things are really required for your team members to reach out to you. We are not looking to intervene so that we form your team, that we will form your 3 group WhatsApp. That's we let that responsibility comes to you. So you figure out, and that's why introduction is very important, that other team members know that this particular team has 2 other different members, and I ping them, save their number, and talk to them on the WhatsApp. So be available with your peers, figure out how you do it. You are 7 to 9, you can very much do it. And that's the idea of 3 versus 3 team debate, that you talk to each other, you get to know each other, because primarily if you wins, even for that day, you have to prepare together, who gonna go first, second, third, who will prepare for what side, and then ultimately when you go to the finals. Again, for you already, like, online is the world, but still we have figured out some resources for SDGs that again will be part of the PPT that we share, so you can look at these reference and search from there. Otherwise, the internet is the world for you, because it's going to be across this particular theme. Now I'm finishing the presentation. Now over to you in terms of questions. Udavir, you are still here, and Udavir is from the junior category. So let's go one by one. I go with Sarah Mittal Salam. Yeah, Sarah, you go.
Oh no, so I had just raised my hand before when you'd asked us and thought in the word.
Okay, perfect. Then let me go to the Ganev Kapoor. Ganev.
So I had raised that before to make sure that you knew that I was from 9th to from 8th to 9th.
Okay. Let's redo it. Has anyone questioned? They only raise their maybe thumbs up. Manraj has raised his big hand, so let me go directly to the Manraj. Yes, Manraj.
Yes, sir. So I had a few questions. Like, sir, you said that we would be like the toss coining would be happening. So all the team members would come and like there would be something like that, or before every match there would be a toss coining for selection for selecting the to and fro.
Okay. So there are only 3 days we are looking at: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If your match is on Monday, whatever time is, we will do it at 3 p.m. That will be the part of the schedule. Now, what we are looking is that one person joins in, because that will be easy for us to follow. Otherwise, we will be looking at that all 3 team members join in, and then we have multiple matches going on. So we need to ensure that everyone joins in. That's why we're looking that you tell us that this is our captain, and captain comes and do the toss of the coin with us.
Sir, one
Sure.
more question I wanted to ask. Sir, like our theme is SDG 14, Life Below Water. So, sir, we would receive the topic like from which we are going to debate 45 minutes prior to our debate, or we would receive it during the toss winning also. So we have means we have time to prepare for it.
You will receive, when there is a toss of the coin, you will receive the topic at that point of time. So for some, minimum is 45 minutes. Minimum is 45 minutes. It can go beyond that. Anjali, you have the co-host right. You can come in whenever you want. Yes. Let me go to the Sneha Shukla. Sneh Shukla. My bad. Sneh.
Right. So I just had one doubt. We would be competing against the same team 3 times. So there is no reshuffling of teams. Right?
It's primarily a knockout. You wins, you go to the semifinals. You lose, you're out. There is no three
Oh,
match.
so we have one. It's like it's some sort of an octa-finals or something. So we just have
Exactly.
to win,
It's a
right?
knockout. It's a knockout
And the results are on the spot.
on the spot, just after the match.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, sir, I wanted to ask, when will we get the exact topic?
You will get the exact topic while we are doing the toss of the coin. So that means it depends 3 p.m. to 4:14, but that will be like couple of hours, minimum of 45 minutes before your scheduled match. Myra, yes.
Yes, sir. So I wanted to ask, because it's a team of 3 people. So are there going to be like different positions for each speaker? Like for the first speaker is not supposed to give rebuttals, and the second speaker has to give a few rebuttals, and the third speaker's whole speech is
Yes,
based
yes,
on the
yeah.
rebuttal.
So the idea is that primarily we're looking at three speakers. The general idea, the like, first one will do the introduction. Especially, I'm talking about here the proponent side. They will define the motion for everyone. Obviously, the opposition can disagree with that, but that onus lies with the proponent to not just put which side they belong, which everyone knows, but still they have to do it. But the definition will always come from the proponent. That's the idea of the first speaker of the debate. That's most crucial part. Then later on, the second one can add some kind of rebuttal, and third going to be the rebuttal. So we are not looking the first speaker from both sides doing any kind of reply speech rebuttal in part of their speeches, because they have to define their side entirely, and you have limited time of 3 minutes. uh, I hope your question is answered, and maybe I guess it will make sense. Let me check with my team if we can put the roles for each speaker from our side, if that helps you when we share the PPT. Yeah, IV, you go. You can unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. I'm so sorry I wouldn't be able to turn my camera on. So do we have sum up speeches at the end?
No, not in the round two. Okay, cool. Manraj, you go.
Yes, sir. So I had another doubt, like, would we decide among ourselves only which position do we need to go? Like, if you
Exactly.
want to
Yeah,
go first
exactly.
speakers, rebuttal, or
Yes, yes. As you will decide your captain who will come for the toss of the coin, you will also decide who's gonna go first, second, third. It's totally up to you. Anhat Singh Johri. Okay, I can't see. Ayushi Bhattacharya.
Yes, sir. My question was like I had a little network problem, so I could not hear. Like, when will be the toss? Like before we start speaking or somewhat like that. When will be the
Okay,
toss?
let me just reshare my screen, and these PPTs will come to you. So you have everything in the same group. So we are talking about here on the Monday. Let's suppose you are part of the team, say, I don't know your team. Seems your team is West Bengal. So your match is at, say, let's suppose not on the Monday, but let's suppose you're part of Delhi team. That means not you are part of, let's suppose, Punjab team, 7th to 9th grade. So your match will start at 4 p.m. So your toss will be between 3 to 3:15. Correct. We will ask you to come at 3. So 3 p.m. you will get your topic, you will get your sites. And for your particular state, let me check your particular state, I guess West Bengal. So we are looking at 6:15, but still for you, your toss of the coin will be at 3:45. So that day you will have more hours, you like 2 hours to prepare. Your opponent will also have the same. I hope that answers your question. Ayushi, do you have? Okay, perfect. Udavir is from the junior. Anhat Singh Johri. Anhat, please go. Yes, Anat.
So during the preparation time, we can use the internet, right?
Yes, you can very much. But when we are doing the debate, there you need to put your cameras on. With the preparation time, you can very much use the internet.
Okay, and also from round to the round three, from the octafinals, do you go into the next round according to whether or not you win the debate, or according to your team speaker points?
So each speaker will get their points, but obviously it's going to be cumulative. So it's like it's not like you win, it's going to be your team winning.
No, I know, but so your team will get an average speaker points, right? So according to those speaker points, do you advance to the next round, or like say I have Maharashtra versus Punjab, so if Maharashtra wins, Maharashtra advances, Punjab wins, Punjab advances.
It's going to be Punjab. It's going to be team. We are not looking. This time there is no funda of average. It's going to be team. Your team will progress or not.
No, I'm asking. So say it's Maharashtra versus Punjab in round two. If will it be like Maharashtra wins, or Maharashtra goes to semi-finals, Punjab wins, Punjab goes to semi-finals, or will it be like according to the speaker points? Say the top four teams with the best average speaker points will advance.
That's what I'm saying. It's going to be the team. Either the Punjab makes to the semi-finals or Maharashtra. It's not your personal identity matters. Even you're the best speaker, if your team is not winning, you're not going ahead. Is that clear? Okay, perfect. Anyone else with any question? Okay. Do you have Myra and Anjali also has a question? How is it possible? Okay. Anjali, you can speak. We can't hear you. Okay, no worries. Let's go to the Sneh. Sneh.
Yes, I'm just not familiar with the parliamentary format. That sorry.
Anjali, we can't hear you. Okay, Sneh, you go.
Yes, so I'm not exactly familiar with the Asian parliamentary format. So 2 questions. Do we have that POI structure that we used to in the WSTC format?
No. You
All right.
you
And
will not
second,
look. So the idea is that we have only given you limited time. That's 3 minutes. The point of information, goes when you have some 5 or 7 minutes. Then you can interrupt and ask the question. Now here we are looking at just 3 minutes. That's the idea of that we are not looking any kind of interruption to speaker. So
right,
if
so
you want
we
to
have-
raise something, then you need to work out with your peers in some sort of second or speaker speech. Then you need to raise that point within your speech, not additionally as raising the hand and all.
we still have just 3 minutes.
Yes, to be fair to everyone, yes.
And we have around 6 minutes on this call, so I want to hear more unique questions. One of the things that we always encourage the students to do, and you all are 7th to 9th graders, you know that you put up a common document together for all the research work that you're doing. So if you've got a theme, and Kamal, I think we've declared the themes for all of them, right?
Yes, very much.
So all of you have got the themes. Enjoy yourself. Split that into areas. Go into hellomotions.com and go and see what kind of topics typically come in international debating on these topics, because the topics will come closer to you. So split it in terms of 3 types of areas under a bigger section, right? And divide that research, create that running Word document for yourself, because on the last day, you literally are just going to decide, okay, this is the topic, we are going for it, and who's the best placed. The other thing in terms of team dynamics, and I'm just going to come back to the questions, Kamal, is that just between yourselves decide that, okay, who's going to just open it up for us as a team, but who's really good at the research and the depth to be able to take on and weave in the rebuttals. And who in our team is going to be the strongest Finnish guy, and he's going to do the last third speech. So think about that. That's why we wanted to do the orientation early, so that you get to know each other, build that team dynamic for yourself. Okay, Kamal, over to you. I think there are a bunch of
questions. Just related to this.
Unmute all of them, Kamal, because this is an elder group, right?
Okay, let me do that. Just to tell you, look, so I've seen it. I was following World School Debating Championship, especially for any debating, especially the speaker who comes second and the third, especially the second one. It's really hard to follow them. First, as the first one, do you focus, get the attention. Second, need to be the most interesting one. It's unintuitive, but that's how I think, because second actually gets the least attention. when you know it's the last speaker, then you focus more at adjudicator. When it's the first speaker, you focus more. So as my will be, if your best speaker is there, go to the second one. But that's going to be you deciding who is your best speaker. And you are correct. Let me unmute all of them.
Yeah, but let's go one by one. I have seen Anna.
Yes, Myra, you can go. Now you can unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. So I wanted to say that I've not really understood the system because there are 3 rounds and so if there are 3 rounds and we're getting the result after every round that one team is going to go forward and the other team is not. So is it going to be that if in round 1 like one team wins, then the team who's won will go against the team who's won in another in another like
Okay, sure.
separate
Myra,
meeting?
I'll just answer.
Anjali, you're breaking. So I'm taking this question. So the idea is currently we have 8 teams, okay, in the 7 to 9th. Now what you will do, you will compete with your, say,
Briefly, can you hear me? Because somebody else spoke. Yeah.
no, you're still breaking.
Can you hear me now? I'm just saying there is only one round. It's a knockout. In the second round that you all are playing, is this only one round? Do your best. Yeah, sorry, I'm just going to answer this a little briefly. We've got approximately 3 minutes to wrap it up. So, Ayan, what's your question?
Yeah, will each person in the team
I have a doubt.
or totally the team will get 3 minutes?
Each speaker.
Okay, and we can contact each other through mail or phone or anything like that to keep in touch.
Yes, that's what we are saying, that you need to talk to them. You when you do the introduction on the WhatsApp group, correct, either your number or your parent number, the idea is that you save your at least your team's number, so you talk to them, do WhatsApp, whatever is a preferable communication, to identify that these are your 2 team member folks. You talk to them. That's we prefer, and that's why we are not creating those groups. That we are taking, that's your onus to do that. But we love.
So I'll only be competing with all the 8 other students from Karnataka who have been selected, or just my group 7 to 9th?
Running parallelly. You will not interact with 11, 10 to 12. So your match, your semi-final, your final will be separate.
Oh, okay.
That's why there are 3 different categories.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
I've wondered that on the group they said to ask in the orientation.
Go ahead.
So if I advance, I'm going to like on a holiday. So if I advance, like from second round, what will the dates be for the other round?
Okay, so date is 1st of October. We're gonna have the semi-finals, and the 2nd of October we will have the finals.
Okay, so 1st October is the semi-finals and 2nd is the finals. And what time will it be?
Same time in the evening. Now the exact schedule we will be able to share once we have the exact name of the teams, because we don't know will Maharashtra will go versus.
Typically, Udevi, we tend to keep a 3 to 9 sort of a slot on 1st of October. I mean, generally we try to do a 3 to onwards to an evening. So I do wish you the best of the holidays, but I would be rather thrilled if I make it to the semi-finals. So I hope and I wish best of luck to all of you. It always becomes a function of your team dynamics. So after this call, please go onto the WhatsApp group, introduce yourself, Udayveer Singh, Team Delhi, grade 9, get to know your team members, figure out your research strategy, and let's get going. We've got the 10th and the 12th students coming in. So any further questions, just post it on the WhatsApp group. That's the reason.
What's the theme?
When you will see the PPT which will come onto the group, you will see the SDG theme will be written next to the team names. Okay. All right, Ayan, last final question.
No, actually no question. I forgot to lower my hand. Sorry.
Yeah, no worries. So grades 7 to 9. Let's get set. Once again, congratulations. Let's roll and let's wish you the best of luck for the upcoming matches. Yep. You can all exit the call as we talk to the seniors now. Alrighty.
Thank you.